What's your secret for this longevity in your career?
Oh wow. I actually did not expect myself to be in the business for this long. Nung bata ako at nag-uumpisa lang ako, pag bata ka kasi, diba, back then especially, pag sinabi mong 10 years, tagal na nung 10 years, diba? So, nung nag-uumpisa pa lang ako, tinatanong ako dati, how long do you see yourself in the business? Ang usual answer ko nung baguhan pa lang ako is, 10 years. I think I'm gonna be in the business for 10 years. Why? Because in my mind, ang tagal-tagal na nung 10 years. Pag naka 10 years ako, feeling ko, ang tagal ko na sa showbiz, no? But fate will have it na mas tatagal pa pala ako unexpectedly. Because 10 years went by so fast, and before I knew it, ang dami na rin nangyari sa buhay ko, personally and professionally. At nagtuloy-tuloy na talaga siya. Again, it was an unexpected thing for me.